Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K4 HE. In this video I'll show you how to change keyboard backlight effect manually. If you want to select certain keyboard backlight effect, let's go to Launcher KEYCHRON and Backlight. Here you can select from 22 backlight effects. Next, you can change brightness and speed of the effect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.